Are you running out of places to put your snow? Winnipeg has been hit harder than ever, and we've had an unprecedented amount of snow accumulation this year. We've actually almost broken our own record. My name is Graham, and I'm the owner of Terrace Snow Removal. And we've put together packages for residential homeowners to take their snow, a pile like this, and get it out of their yard. Our packages start at $300. We also have packages for just scraping down your driveway and pushing piles off to the side. These prices start at $200. And for the homeowner that's worried about snow in a little gate where our equipment doesn't fit, or along your foundation, we have walkway crews that can take care of that as well. And speaking of foundations, March is here, and that means some warm temperatures are just around the corner. It also means that the snow is finally gonna melt. Now, if you're worried about flooding or foundation damage, it's important that you remove the snow along your house to prevent this. Now, if you're interested in any of our hauling or clearing services that I mentioned in the video, all you have to do to book a service is fill out the form down below.